Hi, my name is Justin Fleming from J-Tech, and today we're going to show you how to Cooltech Robinair AC machine. Now, before you get started, we're going to show you that this is where the low side and the high side lines are connected, and they both have a blue for the low side, red for the high side. Now, also these different couplings where they connect onto these ports, they're different sizes, so there's no way you're really going to be able to get them mixed up. Now, when we hook it up and squeeze them on and open up the ports, they're gonna, with the car off, they're gonna be right about the same, the low side and high side, and right now they're about 75, so that's where they should be. And also, today we're gonna be recovering from the system. I'm gonna show you how to vacuum it, and we're also gonna charge it. Before we recover the refrigerant from the system, we're gonna come down to where the oil is, and we're gonna check its level. It's almost at about 5 ounces, and we're going to need to keep a watch on that before and after, so we know how much is taken out and how much we need to put it in. And also, before we do, we need to check how much refrigerant is in the system of this machine, so we know exactly how much is being taken out. And right now it's only 1 ounce, so there's not going to be that much of a difference whenever we do pull it all out. Now, as we turn it on, which is what I'm about to do now, we're going to start. Nope. Fill back. Fill tank. We're not going to fill the tank. We're going to recover. Just checking pressures. And then recover in progress. And now when we do that, we got to make sure that these two lines are open. And as these two go down, these two gauges go down, the meter for the how much recovering is going to go up. Recording. Low battery. Oh shit. Whatever. See, now as this is starting to pull more ounces out, these gauges are starting to go down. They're starting to drop from 75 to, but they're both at about 50 right now, and it's up to 3 ounces is already pulled out. Alright, now that we've finished recovering the system, we need to check the oil and how much is in the actual system. And right now, it moved about a hair. It really hasn't moved at all, still at 5 ounces. And we recovered 1 pound from the system, which coincides inspect with how much it needs to be in the car in the system, which is a pound to about almost 2 pounds. And now that we've done that, we're going to continue to do our repairs. All right, now that we've finished our repairs, we're going to go ahead and put the system under a vacuum for 30 inches for 30 minutes to make sure that we get all of the moisture out of the system and out of the receiver dryer, since the car has a TXV system. Now what we're going to do is, no, we don't want to fill tank. We're going to vacuum. And right now it's checking pressures, and we're going to vacuum. All right, now that we've brought the vacuum down to 30 inches for 30 minutes, and we're almost done, and is getting all the moisture out of the system and whatnot. After this, we're going to perform a leak test to make sure that it will hold this vacuum and that we don't have any leaks in the system at all. All right, so we've closed the valves off to the car so that it's separate, and it's hold the 30 inches of vacuum for about 5 minutes now, so it's showing that it doesn't have a leak. Now what we're going to go ahead and do now is open up these valves, and we're going to begin to charge the system. We're going to go ahead and charge the system back up. It calls for 16 ounces, which is a pound. That's what we're going to put back in, and we're going to go ahead and start this now and let it charge back up the system. Now we don't want to equalize hoses, so we're going to go ahead and press no. And now that we have the system filled up, you want to go inside and you want to make sure that everything's functioning right and it's blowing cool air out of the air ducts, and make sure everything's running right. And then that's how you recover, vacuum, and charge a system. Thank you.